Flex ko lang guys yung abode namin sa Villa Escudero. So, ito yung aming room. Azucena. This is our room for 3 days and 2 nights. Aba, nakalaying pretty na si Mr. Fontaine. So, meron mezzanine. I choose with aircon kasi dalawang klase. Non-aircon and with aircon. We are in the longhouse with a room of 6 persons capacity. Fridge. Safety lock. Elementary coffee. Water. Fruits. And this one going to the toilet. Alright. Shower room. Okay, the toilet. And then separate the toilet. Right? So total vacation, no television. Total vacation, no television. Oh, remove your. If you like a total vacation, I recommend this place because wala talagang TV. So makakapagpahinga. Pero malakas ang internet connection. Ito yung stair going to the mezzanine. Tara, akyatin natin. Dito yung aking mga boys. Sila. This is good for 3. Hello, Lance. Good for 3. Ang ganda. Going down again. The stairs made of bamboo kaya lumalagit-git. There is another bed. Si Bunso daw gagamit kung saan yung matulog sa baba. Let's go out. The longhouse is facing to the garden. Napaka-presko at ang ganda talaga ng lugar na to. Ang sarap maglakad-lakad. Ang daming puno kaya kahit tanghali hindi mainit.